Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. In this additional of Tuesday, in the today's newspaper Tuesday on July the 7th, 2020, the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku. And before I start, I want to know how many digits are printed in this puzzle. I think 26, but let's count. 1, 2, plus 5 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 3 13, plus 3 16, plus 4 20, 23, 25. Oh, I missed something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, plus 3 17, plus 4 21, plus 3 24, 25, 26. Yes, 26. Miscounted. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I use? Can I use? We have in this column 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 3 and 4 in this column. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 2 in this row, column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above, so in that row the only place for the 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 left, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7 are missing in this row. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there and a 6 goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a... Wait. The 4 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are missing now. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. That means these 2 boxes in this row should be the 1 and the 7. Those 2 boxes in the last row are for the numbers 3 and the 9. A lot of pairs. Here pair, there pair. Alright, then 5. 8, 8. 1, 1. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. So we have a 1 and a 5 in this big square. No 1 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. That means the other 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. How about 4, 7, 4, 7, and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are for the numbers 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 5. No, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. What are those 2 missing numbers? 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark them. Here up here, here up here, here up here, here up here. Oh, here up here, and there up here. A lot of pairs. 7 to the 9. I need a 9. 9, 9. Okay. These 2 numbers in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and an 8 is missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 6, 6, 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 8. And we have here a pair, 8 and a 6, I believe, in this row here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the 3rd row, so in the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 1, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the 1st row, 2 in the 3rd row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the 1st row, so in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be the 4. 1, 3, 1, 3. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 6, 8. 8 is missing here. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8s will be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8, the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left now, a 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 5. 3 missing numbers. 1, no, not 3. 2 missing numbers now. Oh, no. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be the 1. 1 in the third. We have 1 missing number in this second row. This should be the 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 5 and the 7. Here in the first row, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 7. We have here now a 3, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 9, and this should be a 3. 1 number left in this column should be the number 9. 2 no. How about these 2 numbers in this column? For the numbers 1 and 6, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. The first Sudoku, twice as long. This is twice as fast than the previous one. 12 minutes. Can't believe it. So you cannot tell if the printed numbers are less. It will be difficult. So it depends. Anyway, you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and you will see me soon with the third Sudoku with 3 stars. 3 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.